Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile. We'll start by covering the fundamental goal of the game, surviving to be the last one standing. You'll learn essential controls for moving your character, aiming precisely, and firing your weapons. We'll also explore the user interface, helping you understand the map, health indicators, and inventory management. This foundational knowledge is crucial for anyone beginning their Battle Royale journey. Next, let's dive into core gameplay mechanics. Mastering looting is vital. You'll need to quickly gather weapons, protective armor, and essential healing supplies. Pay close attention to your minimap to locate enemies, understand the safe zone's movement, and plan your rotations. Practicing your aiming and recoil control in the training grounds will significantly improve your combat effectiveness during intense firefights. Now, let's explore some advanced tactics to secure more victories. Strategic positioning is key. Always seek high ground or cover to gain an advantage over your opponents. Effective communication with your squad is paramount for coordinated pushes and revives. Remember to adapt your playstyle as the play zone shrinks, forcing closer engagements and quicker decisions. Teamwork makes the dream work in PUBG Mobile. Finally, here are some tips for continuous improvement. Dedicate time to regularly practice in the training mode to refine your shooting and movement skills. Watching professional players stream or compete can offer invaluable insights into advanced strategies and decision-making. Always analyze your own gameplay to identify weaknesses and areas where you can improve, turning every match into a learning experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.